Hi everyone, welcome to Infinity Capital. My name is Raj Prajapati. We are going to do a quick analysis of Bitcoin. So this is BTC USD on the Coinbase exchange, and we are looking at the weekly chart right now. So what do we have here? We had a breakdown which happened a couple of weeks back, which was on extremely high volume, if you see here, post which the price has gone sideways. Now if you notice on your left over here, this is the area between which the price was consolidating, and then it went up. So my guess is this is a good level of interest, and probably the price might bounce back from here. Now for the price to bounce back from here, the price has to show some strength, starts moving sideways and then slowly starts moving upwards. Probably it changes its trends and it starts moving upwards. So that is something that I would be looking for. Now we have switched over to the daily chart, and you'll see that this area looks like an area of interest where buying may come in. Also, if you see, BTC came into this zone and it has been sort of consolidating here. So if BTC breaks below 29,000, then chances are that it may slide further. So that is a level to look out for. 29,000, 30,000 is a level to look out for. On the flip side, if BTC starts trading above 40,800, 41,000 and reclaims the 21 EMA, I would be looking to go long in BTC, and my target would be somewhere around 49,000 in this area, 51,000 and 49,000, and the next target will be between 59,500 and 55,600. So these are the two areas that I will be looking to basically sell, and this is the area above which I will be bullish. However, if BTC continuously trades below this area for 2-3 weeks, I will be bearish in BTC USD. Now let's quickly also check on the left what do we have here on the longer term moving averages. So the red line is the 50-day moving average, and the price has been trading below the 50-day since April, and it has been difficult for BTC to reclaim this price. So that is the reason you see that the 50-day has started turning downwards. However, the good thing is that the 200-day moving average is still trending upwards, so we may see some sort of consolidation here, and the price starts going up and probably go above the 50-day moving average. So that will take some time. So from a longer horizon, I am still bullish on BTC. From a shorter term horizon, from a 2 to 3 months horizon, we may see more consolidation happen in BTC. So this was the quick analysis, guys. Thanks a lot.